something super fun. Can I show you? It's a surprise. Close your eyes. Now open. Oh,
that's cool.
This right here is the Eggmazing. We're gonna be decorating eggs.
Let's go.
You're gonna keep taking turns, you and brother. Who wants to go first?
Me. Bunny, 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 bunny.
Oh, look at this. I just opened it up and there's a giant egg. And then
batteries.
there's colors. Look at the colors.
I want the pink. I want this one. Money milk. Cactus water. This one.
Ellie, what colors do you have? Can you show me?
Pink, lila, and orange.
Good job. What about you, Zay?
Blue, purple, and green.
Nice.
Why do you have batteries in your pocket?
I have batteries in my pocket because I needed to get this to work. So there's a little switch right here. Can you guys see that? It's turning. It's gonna make the egg spin. So then Ellie can put her markers on there. What's one thing that's missing that we really, really need?
Eggs.
We need eggs?
I want this one. I want this one.
There you go. Set it in there.
Okay, what color do you want?
Open up a color. Whoa! You want another color?
Yeah.
Pick another color.
Here, do purple.
Purple! Whoa! Look at that egg go! Ellie's doing a great job. Open it, Ellie. Open it.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Whoa! Your eyes are going
I'll
crazy.
eat that.
You gonna eat that one?
Like this.
Let's check it out.
Oh.
Whoa. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze it.
Don't squeeze
it. Give it a hug. All right. Can Zay have a turn?
Sure.
Whoa. Okay. Whoa. It looks like a football. Ah. Oh, Zay's going crazy. Oh.
No, messed up.
It's okay. Go, brother, go. Go, brother, go. Nice.
Oh, it happened again.
Look at that.
Oh, wait, one more on the side.
Put it on the finishing touch. 2, 1.
Whoa.
Let me see, Zay. Look at that.
I want my turn. Whoa, that's so cool. Do green. No. Oh. Mine. I need it. Give it a hug.
Aw, here, let me put it away. It's still drying. It's still drying, but look at that one. You're gonna do all the colors at the same time?
I'm gonna try. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, look at that. That's really good, guys. All right, let's stop it. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh my god.
Wow. I'm gonna take it out.
Okay.
Look at that thing.
That's cool.
That is awesome.
Can I put it? That's cool.
This right here is the teamwork egg.
Okay, go.
I get the middle.
I'll get
Okay, Ellie gets the middle. Squigglies. Guys, what if we leave these in here and don't tell Mom and she goes to make us eggs and sees them all like this?
Yeah, let's do it. Wait, all of them? 3, 4, 5. Pick my nose.
You're picking your nose. Whoa! This guy's a pro. Wow.
3, 2, 1. I got it. Whoa. I need green.
Nice job. Ellie.
She's focused.
Look at that focus face.
You gonna stop it now? No.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. So cute. Oh my god.
It is the cutest egg I've ever seen. I think it's so cute, I'm gonna eat it.
Ew, that's gross.
Look at all those.
Thank you for watching my channel.
Subscribe. We'll see you in a couple more days, right? We're gonna make more videos.
Yeah.
All right.
also washing hands.
Okay, let's go wash our hands.